What's up guys, it's your local shirtless Asian guy on your screen. Hi guys, it's Mike, and today we're doing a video on a tattoo update 1 week after the initial tattoo. On this one, my artist is Sway818 if you guys want to look up on Instagram, but I'm going to remove this wrapper here, which is called Sanoderm. A lot of you guys are wondering 1 week wrapped up how it's supposed to look, and I'm going to show you guys a close-up of me taking this off. So excuse all the pain and noises. You may want to turn down the volume so your mom doesn't think you're watching some sort of other video starring a local Asian. All right guys, you ready to remove this? Let's get a close-up. So the bottom corner is my microphone right now, and you got my big old double chin right here, but I'm gonna end up removing it. Let me see where the best spot is right now. Oh, you guys, this is gonna hurt. I'm telling you, man, turn down the volume. Oh, okay, I'm gonna take, oh, you know what? Might as well start at the armpit area. Oh, geez. So I got this about a week ago. Oh, you know what? I can start here. All right, I'm a little pansy, so let's start off here. Okay, that's not bad. That's not bad right now. I got this about a week ago. Here, listen to this. ASMR, guys, listen. Oh my god. Oh jeez. Dude, someone told me this was cool and I'm supposed to do it. So I got this tattoo about a week ago. With an artist named Sway818. And now I'm currently removing this Sanoderm, which has been held on for a week. After I remove this, I'm going to lotion this up. So I'll show you guys what kind of lotion I'm using. If you can see here, the art here, it's like, because once you put it on, the art does come out still. So a lot of people ruin their sheets after tattooing, getting a tattoo, I mean. And, oh, right now I'm just removing it. I definitely, my skin feels so dry under this right now. Oh gosh. I felt like I should have had a drink before I did this. If you guys are wondering about getting a tattoo, prepare yourself for a lifetime commitment. I'm pretty good about it. So this tattoo you guys see right here, held up real nice, across almost 2 years. 2 years next month, actually. And what I did with that one was I put a lot of sunblock on for the first few months, a lot. Oh man, this shoulder part hurts so bad right now. It hurt during the tattoo process, and it hurts equally right now. Ooh. Okay, maybe I have to come back to that one. Ugh. So I'll be doing the same to this thing. I'll be lubing it up a lot. Who doesn't like a lot of lube? And then I'll be putting a lot of sunblock on. Ooh, down at the armpit. I'm only inches away from my nipple. Ooh, it is starting. Oh, this right here. Hey, this is, what do we categorize this video as? Like, fetish? Oh, this is pulling my skin. Oh, that was a rip. Okay, all right. I feel like if I did it in one fast motion, probably better, but I don't want to ruin anything and rip off my skin in the process. Okay. Come on, tattoo, come out here. So after I do this, I'm going to probably hop in the shower, clean it off with some light soap. Oh my gosh, that's sensitive. And then I'm gonna dry off completely and then moisturize, and I'll show you guys when I hop out of the shower. I will come back and I will show you guys what I put on. So traditionally I've seen people saran wrap theirs, and then they cover it up, and then they put like Aquifer on it, which is like a moisturizer. And then they don't cover it up. Some people don't cover it up, but what I notice a lot about other people's tattoos is it tends to scab. And I've gotten really lucky with mine. Mine, this one at least, didn't scab at all. So I'm just kind of going through the same process. The neck is sensitive. I'm going through the same. Guys, I think I regret all this. No, I'm just kidding. This is sensitive here. So I'm just going through the same process that I did with my forearm, which 2 years later, it's held up really nice. No scarring, definitely no scabbing. And I'm just kind of doing the same thing because don't fix it if it ain't broke. Oh man, this is... Ooh. Oh. This right here. All this right here was so sensitive. And in a day, I will be going back for another tattoo. And we are getting more up my neck, so right about here is the general plan. All right, Mike, don't be a little punk. All right, guys, I'm gonna slowly work my way around to the back because that's my favorite one right there. It's so pretty. This is a lotus, if you guys are wondering. I grew up Buddhist for the longest time. My mom loves lotus flowers. So I got this kind of to rep my culture, my mom. Ooh, I better turn down your volume because it's about to sound weird. Oh yeah. Oh no, like it. Okay. Oh man. Oh, that's right there where it's hanging up right now. Is mucho sensitive. Oh man. Okay. All right. We're just gonna leave it right there. All right, guys. Tattoo's over. All right. Let's work up the top. How about that? Okay, that feels a little better. Whew. You see that mad tan line? That's what happens when you go to the beach and put sunblock on. I guess I haven't been in the sun in a very long time. All right. Home stretch, boys. Ladies and genitals, home stretch. We're gonna pull right here. Ooh. You hear that? It's gone. Wow. It feels super sensitive right now. It feels kind of raw. So I gotta clean it off. You can see a lot of residue on it right now. And then I'm going to lubricate it up. But this is what I'm left with. This ball of plasma, skin, ink, regret. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so I'm gonna go shower right now. I'm gonna clean it off. But there's this film on it. You can see there's like a slight gray over the whole thing. And then after that, I'm gonna come right back and show you guys what's up. BRB, guys. Whoop. All right, guys, I am back. Showered, clean, and I didn't do my hair, so I have my hat on. This is it right here. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It looks a little funky, and I'll tell you guys exactly why. Okay, so I pulled it off. This is my microphone, by the way, on the bottom right. Pulled it off, and I don't want to rub it more than I should because it's already really sensitive. The sensation right now, it's like something really sticky on you, and you don't really want to move it too much. And the skin is slightly a bit dry, and even some of the tape residue from the wrap is still on me. But the more you rub it, the more sensitive your skin is. And I don't want to rub this right now. So I did my best, put a little bit of soap on it, and I kind of rubbed it around and made sure what came off. But there's little balls of ink still on here. And I don't want to rub those because I don't want to pull anything off that I'm not supposed to. But what we can do now is I just got out of the shower and I have this little bad boy right here. Not a paid sponsor, by the way. This one, it's an aftercare for your tattoo. You can use a bunch of different things. I've used Aquifer before, but this one seems to be really good. There's very little scent to it, and it just feels really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some on. I'll show you guys. Recommended twice a day as of right now. And just a small ball, probably something like this right here on one side. And then I'm gonna do another small ball right over here and kind of just spread them out. And we will apply more as needed. But ooh, that feels nice. So I can feel my skin's a little bit rough. There's a bit of residue still on it. And I'll add more as I need, but I think this is plenty. Spread it all away. When you put these on, It makes the tattoo look a bit darker too because it's moisturized. So you do want to get everything you can. Apply more if needed. Did you ever think you'd be watching an Asian man lotion himself up? 2019 YouTube. So I am putting it all over as much as I can without rubbing anything else. There's a bit of residue of the tape still on here, and I can feel little balls of skin come off as I'm doing this, but I do not want to force anything out because it's super sensitive. Like as I run my finger through right now, I can feel how sensitive the skin is, but that's just the healing process. After a few months, it should look pretty much new and really nice. I was really cautious my first few months, like I was saying. I was lubing it up at all the time. So this is what we have for now. This is the tattoo of a big old lotus, but tomorrow actually we're gonna be doing another tattoo session, bringing the art up here and a dragon back here, wrapping around my arm, my bicep, and all that. And then the Vietnamese drum will go right on the bottom of the chest to kind of finish off the cultured piece. So most of this upper arm that I'm doing is all cultured pieces. This bottom part, like I talked about, was just a bunch of random abstract art that really means a lot throughout my life. This is more of like my culture side. Really nice so far, healing up really well. After the first night, there was like literally no pain left. It's just the feeling of the tape. I kept it away from the sun. I always wore a t-shirt when I was out. And then now that it is off like this, I will probably most likely just wear a tank top indoors. Just wear a tank top so nothing's rubbing it on it. I'll probably be shirtless, to be honest. But if I go out anywhere, I'll probably be in a tank top really quick, but it'll be in and out. I'm not going to be going outside during the sun during this transition period. But for the next, I would say about 5 to 6 weeks, you guys will be seeing me do a lot more tattoo content just because I'm getting such a big piece on my body and I want to share the experience with you guys. So one day when I'm old, I get to look back on all this good stuff. But if you guys have any questions, leave a comment below, hit the like button, subscribe to notification. I'm on Instagram, Smurfinwrx, and also Snapchat. If you guys want some art done, hit up Sway818 on Instagram. And I'll keep you guys updated on what's going on. Not bad, huh? I gotta even out my tan, man. Look, my tan is nasty. Peace out, guys. Have a great day.